Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Hyper-V on your Windows 11 laptop. So hit the start button and search for control panel. What we're looking for here is programs and features. Top left, turn Windows features on or off. So in here we're looking for Hyper-V folder. So if we expand that and tick all two of them, all three, hit OK. This will then install Hyper-V and go through the process. Once this is done, it might take a couple of minutes. We'll then ask you to restart your laptop or computer. Once you've done so, it may take a couple of minutes for the features to install, and once it reboots, Hyper-V will be available in your start menu. Nearly done. Applying changes. Okay, now hit restart. As it reboots, say it may take a couple of minutes, but this video has been fast forwarded. So once it boots back off, you log back into your computer, hit the start button and do a search for Hyper-V. What we're looking for here is Hyper-V Manager. And that's it guys, Hyper-V is now installed. Please like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next one.